Imagine the holiday season twinkling lights, festive decorations, and the pressure to find the perfect gift on a budget. Ah, the holiday hustle. It's that time of year when our hearts are filled with joy, and our wallets, well, they're feeling a bit lighter. For many of us, the holiday season brings not just cheer, but also a financial strain. The desire to give our loved ones something special can often lead to overspending. Now, don't get me wrong, there's nothing quite like the joy of giving. The sparkle in your loved one's eyes when they unwrap that perfect gift is priceless. But here's the thing, it shouldn't mean draining your bank account. After all, the holiday spirit is about love, laughter, and making memories, not about extravagant spending. So, as we embark on this festive journey, let's ask ourselves a question. Surely there must be a way to enjoy the holiday season without breaking the bank, right? Enter our hero, the master planner, armed with a budget and a list. This isn't just any list, it's a weapon of mass savings, a tool to transform the holiday shopping season from a financial nightmare into a budget-friendly dream. Now you might ask, what's so special about this list? Well, it's not merely a list of gifts, but a detailed plan that includes who you're shopping for, what you intend to buy, and most importantly, how much you intend to spend. This is where the budget comes in. By deciding on a budget beforehand, you're setting a limit, a financial boundary that promises to keep your holiday expenses in check. Remember, the key to a successful shopping season isn't about buying the most expensive gifts, but about making thoughtful choices that don't break the bank. With a clear plan in hand, our master planner is ready to conquer the holiday shopping season. Our master planner knows the early bird gets the worm, or in this case, the best deals. Picture this, you're sipping on a warm cup of hot chocolate, cozied up in your favorite blanket, and you've already checked off most of your holiday shopping list. That's the magic of shopping early. It's not just about beating the rush, but also about snagging those incredible early bird discounts. See, retailers often launch their holiday sales well before the season is in full swing. And these deals, they're usually some of the best you'll see all year. Plus, shopping early gives you the luxury of time. You can compare prices, hunt down the perfect gift, and avoid that dreadful last-minute shopping panic. But the cherry on top? It's avoiding those pesky last-minute price hikes. With early shopping, our master planner avoids last-minute price hikes and shopping stress. So, when's the best time to start your holiday shopping? Well, how about now? Next, the master planner transforms into the bargain hunter, always on the lookout for the best deals. The secret third tip to saving more during the holiday season is becoming a savvy bargain hunter. It's all about the thrill of the chase, the joy of discovery, and the sweet satisfaction of scoring a deal. This isn't about mindlessly buying items just because they're on sale. No, it's about strategic shopping, finding the items on your list for less. It's about comparing prices, waiting for sales, and maybe even haggling a little. This doesn't just apply to physical stores. Online shopping has opened up a whole new world of comparison shopping and deal hunting. Don't shy away from the clearance section either. Remember, a person's clearance is another person's treasure. It's about making your money stretch further, getting more bang for your buck. Armed with an eye for bargains, our bargain hunter makes the most out of every dollar. Sometimes the best gifts come from the heart, not the store. Meet the DIY enthusiast. Now, the DIY enthusiast knows that holiday gifting doesn't need to break the bank. Instead, they use their creativity and skills to craft unique, personal presents that mean so much more than any store-bought item. Imagine a hand-knitted scarf in a loved one's favorite color, or a jar of homemade jam using fruits from your own backyard. Perhaps a personalized photo album filled with cherished memories, or a handcrafted jewelry. The possibilities are as boundless as your imagination. These DIY gifts not only save money, but also add a personal touch that can't be bought. They say, I care enough to invest my time and creativity in you. And isn't that what the holiday spirit is all about? With creativity and effort, the DIY enthusiast creates meaningful gifts that don't strain the wallet. Our smart shopper knows the value of $1 and isn't afraid to save where they can. Now, let's delve into some more savvy strategies that the smart shopper employs to navigate the holiday season without breaking the bank. Firstly, they take full advantage of cashback and rewards. Many credit cards offer cashback on purchases or points that can be redeemed for goods or services. The smart shopper uses these cards to make holiday purchases, then pays off the balance promptly to avoid interest charges. It's like getting a discount on everything they buy. The smart shopper also knows the danger of impulse buys. You know those little knickknacks near the checkout counter, or those tempting online pop-ups? They're designed to make you spend more. The smart shopper doesn't fall for these tricks. They stick to their list and their budget, resisting the urge to splurge on unnecessary items. Next, the smart shopper isn't shy about regifting. You know that candle you got last year that you never lit, or that book you never read? Well, just because they weren't right for you doesn't mean they won't be perfect for someone else. The smart shopper knows that regifting is a great way to save money and reduce waste. Now let's not forget about the power of online shopping. The smart shopper knows that online retailers often offer deals that brick and mortar stores can't match. Plus, it's easier to compare prices and read reviews online. And with the time saved from not having to trudge through crowded malls, the smart shopper can enjoy more of the holiday season with loved ones. Finally, the smart shopper buys in bulk whenever possible. Buying in bulk is almost always cheaper per unit than buying single items. So, for things like wrapping paper, decorations, and even gifts, the smart shopper stocks up and saves. With these tips, our smart shopper navigates the holiday season without compromising the joy of giving. So, how will you navigate the holiday season? As we've just explored, there are a plethora of ways to keep those purse strings tight without skimping on the holiday cheer. Let's recap, shall we? Plan ahead with a solid budget, taking into account all potential expenses. Be the early bird who catches the worm, or in this case, the best deals. Hunt for those bargains, both online and offline. Unleash your inner DIY enthusiast to create personalized, cost-effective gifts. And be a smart shopper, making use of loyalty programs, cashback offers, and price comparison tools. These tips aren't just to save a few pennies, but to allow you to enjoy the holidays without the financial stress that often accompanies this time of year. Remember, the holiday season is about more than gifts. It's about love, joy, and connection. So tell us, how will you save this holiday season? Check out my next video that YouTube suggests, and I'll see you on the other side.